welcome again to my channel. So, I bought a TV. Hindi ito makukunik sa internet kundi para lang to sa karaoke ko. I have in the Philippines. So, this is just only for my karaoke machine. So, I'll put it in the pool table. So, we'll open it. This is $141. So, but you can use this for Netflix, all of this. But I'm just using it for my karaoke. So, we'll remove the, I already opened it up. It's not so bright in the screen. So, here we go.
It's a little bright. Slide down a little.
Here.
Yeah, that's good.
So here, this is 32 inches. I have to remove this one now. And then the guard, I'll just leave that there. So just put the screw, there are two holes here. You just do screw like this. And then here. So because my stand is not heavy though. It's heavy. So here, because my stand is smaller, so we'll try to put it on or plug it. Plug it here. Okay, and then I'll get the remote. The battery is for the remote. ONN. So here's the remote. I don't know if I use this one for there. And then let's get started. We'll put the system on. English, okay. United States, okay. Set up for home use, yes. I don't 10 to 12 years, but still working, so why not use it? You know, so we'll put it here. Because I love to sing. So let's put it here, and it should be in the back. And then let's plug this one here. And then let's plug it white. And then yellow. Let's see if this works. See, microphone here. Let's put it here. Then it's on. So guys, there you go. Start the TV. There you go. And I will start the Wow Karaoke. Just press this one. You can use the remote if you want. And then we'll get one microphone here. And then we'll on the microphone. There you go. And this is the wow, and the wow is the number 1. And then the rest are the channels, but it's not connected. So we'll lower the volume because it's loud. And then, okay. There you go. Please select a song. It's dark, huh? 330. And then start. There you go, guys.